Khan Academy, Divide Fractions, subtopic Dividing Unit Fractions by Whole Numbers. Divide 1/7 divided by 3. Okay, so in the best way that I like to think about this is, again, thinking about kind of that big chocolate bar, and we're going to kind of pretend these are even pieces because I have a hard time drawing on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I need to make a 7. So, okay, so we're going to pretend that those are pretty even pieces. So if I have 1/7, that's 1/7. So that black part is shaded in, or is shading in, 1/7. So if I take that 1/7 and I say, hey, this is all you have of the candy bar, you have to split it up, okay, between your 3 best friends. Well, you would take that candy bar and you would split it into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. So one person would get this top section, another person would get this little section in the middle, and another person would get this bottom section. So 1/7 divided by 3 is going to give, if you look at this top, this pink person up here, they're going to get one piece out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So they would get 1/21st of that actual candy bar. Okay, so now again, some of you are going to notice, well, really, that's just 1 over, and you're multiplying 7 times 3. Yes, that's exactly what you're doing. But again, I like to make sure that you understand why you're doing what you're doing. It's not simply just memorizing a trick to solve it. So 1/2 divided by 9. Okay, so you go back to that candy bar and you have a half. So here is my half, and I'll shade it in yellow. So you have a half of a candy bar. And now you're told that you have to give equal parts to your 9 best friends. So if you're going to split it up into 9ths, you're going to split it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if I have one section of that, so if I just look at what one of my friends is getting, this part down here, they are getting one piece out of what would be a total of 18. So 1/18 would be my answer. 1/6 divided by 7. Okay, so again, I have my big candy bar and we split it into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not terrible for my first try on this one. So 1/6, so I'll shade it in blue. You have one piece out of the 6 of your original candy bar, and now you're going to divide that one piece into 7 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, of course we're pretending these are equal pieces, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now if we look at just this top piece, that's going to be one piece out of, and if you count up all those boxes there, there's going to be 42 total boxes. And lastly, 1/8 divided by 3. So again, I go back and I use the rectangles, not circles, just because rectangles are easier to make the pieces of, especially if you're drawing not on a computer. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and if I have 1/8, I can make that a pretty pink this time. So 1/8. And I'm going to divide that into 3. So 1, 2, 3. So each person is going to get one piece out of a total of 24 pieces.